Hi user, welcome to my channel Learning with Khatak. In the last lectures, we have declared different functions that will be used for the transaction management system inside the bank. If you look at all the functions, so this is basically the class, this is the private part, and then a public part. We have created a create account and then show account and then modify account. All the details are discussed in details in the last lectures. And then deposit amount, draw amount, report, you want to display report, return account numbers, report deposits, etc. And this is the global declarations of the stream objects. And then the write functions which will write inside the file, and then functions to read specific record from the file, another important functions. And if you want to modify record of the file, simply you have to use this function. And then if you want to delete a specific record from the file, you have to use this. Obviously आप लोग अगर कभी भी किसी फाइल पे कोई ऑपरेशंस परफॉर्म करते हैं तो या तो आप उस फाइल को रीड करेंगे या राइट करेंगे या मॉडिफाई करेंगे या डिलीट करेंगे. So okay, then functions to display all content, deposit list, and then function to deposit in withdrawal amount, you want to deposit some amount or withdraw some amount from the functions, and then introduction functions, and this is the main functions. So this is the summary that in banking transaction management system you have to apply either you want to read the file or write the file. First you have to decide this. For example, you want to write the file, you want to write something inside the file. Then first you have to create an account system. Then you want to display the account system, this account information, and then you want to modify or you want to delete this account, or you want to display all the information of the different account holder inside the file. Okay, now in main functions we know that we can create object of the class we have declared above. Also we can call different functions defined in the class through the name of this object. So okay, so first I have to declare just a single variable, and then I call the introductory functions. So if I run this program, if you look at this, this will give me just the introductory part, nothing important to be shown, just the introduction. So banking transaction system made by ZM Khatak and then from University of Gujarat. Okay, now another thing, we have used a do while loops. What this do while loops, if we explain line by line. So here a main menu option will be printed. New account, if you want to create new account, deposit amount, withdraw amount, balance inquiry, all account, holder list, close an account, modify an account, exit, select your option. So then you have to if you select, let's suppose 4, option number 4, then this get ch function will use to hold this 4 and assign to the character, and then we have to apply the switch techniques. In case of case 1, it means you want to write into the account. In case of 2, you want to deposit, withdraw, deposit. 3, deposit withdrawal. 2 means if you want to deposit something, if you want to withdraw something. And then in case of 4, enter the account number, and then numbers, display num, break, etc. It means you want to return the account numbers. What is the account number? Similarly, if you want to display, delete account, modify account, and then exit. So while ch is not equal to 8, if we look at the option number 8, the option number 8 is simply exit. So mean this menu will be shown again and again until you press 8. So if we run this program, look at this. Okay, so these are the introduction functions which display simply the name of the developers and so on. Okay, then main menu, new account, deposit amount, withdraw amount, balance inquiry, all account, holder list, close an account, modify an account, etc. Select your option. So first I would like to create a new account, so I just enter option number 1. So enter the account number. So here I enter 111. The name of the account holder, let's I enter dummy ABC is the account holder name, and then enter type of the account, that is current account, and then enter the initial amount. I entered a simple amount of 700, and then account created. So as I press the enter button, again the menu will be created. Now deposit amount. If you want to deposit amount, if you want to withdraw amount, balance inquiry. Now I just want to press option number 4. So enter the account numbers to which you want to inquire the balance. Since I entered 111, so if I want to show that account name 111, account holder name ABC, type of account 7, and balance amount is equal to 100. Okay, now again when you press enter, the same menu will be repeated. Then deposit amount, if I press 2, so enter the account numbers 111. Okay, these are the detail. To deposit amount, enter the amount to be deposited. Now this time I would like to deposit 600, so I press it, record updated. Now I again want to show that balance inquiry of the same account. Then enter option number 4, account is 111, and if you look at this, account number 111, account holder name ABC, title of account that, balance amount 1300, because 700 I initially input, while last time I have entered the 706 and 7 is equal to 1300. So again I enter that. So now modify an account. If I want to modify an account, very important operations. So if I press 7, so enter the account number of the account 111, and then modify account holder name. First time the name of the account holder was ABC. Now this time it is X, Y, and Z. Modify type of account, this is saving, and then modify balance amount. This time I entered 500. So okay, record updated. Now I want to again show the amount 4. Okay, this time I want to 5 to show all the account. This is last time I have updated the XYZ account. I have entered 500, and the account type is saving account. So this is basically a simple applications of banking transaction management system. Now I want to exit, so simply I press 8, and this is exited. So this is a simple applications of banking transaction management system. You can develop multiple type of application using base. Using this project as a base, for example, school management system, library management system, airline reservation management system, or so on. If you feel any type of problem, if you want to develop another project, please let me know in the comment of this video sections. One request I would like to make, that if you did not subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel and share with your social circles to get updated information. Thank you very much.